Most men do not fail because they are lazy. They do not lack ambition or drive. They fail because they allow the week to happen to them. Monday morning arrives like an ambush, a tidal wave, notifications, emails, demands from other people. The day begins in a flurry of reaction, a desperate attempt to plug holes in a ship already taking on water. This reactive state continues through Tuesday, Wednesday, and beyond, leaving you perpetually behind, stretched thin, drained of the energy you need for your most important work. You end the week without accomplishment. Then you do it all again. This cycle is more than inefficient. It has an unseen cost. When you spend days reacting, you make decisions from stress and urgency. Your focus shatters into 1,000 tiny pieces, scattered across unimportant tasks that feel urgent. You push through the week like running through deep mud. Huge effort, little progress. The real tragedy, your most valuable resources, time, attention, energy, are dictated by external forces. You are a passenger in your own life, letting the currents of chaos steer you, instead of being at the helm. The alternative is not to work harder or wait for motivation. The alternative is to install a system, make small intentional moves before chaos begins. Imagine starting Monday with a clear, quiet mind. You know exactly what matters and where your attention goes. Incoming noise does not derail you. You have set the tracks. The distinction between a man who reacts and a man who leads begins at the start of the week. The man who reacts checks his phone first, pulled into other people's agendas. He walks into his day without a map, busy, not productive, exhausted by Friday with little to show. The man who leads makes his most important decisions before Monday. He has identified his true priorities. He can sort the signal from the noise. He moves through the week with quiet confidence. He is the architect of his week, not a bricklayer for someone else's plan. One rushes, the other is prepared. Gym bag packed, focus time blocked, arrival calm and ready. Many ideas are vague suggestions and pep talks. They lack a clear, repeatable process. Motivation is fleeting, like the weather. You need a better system. The Weekend Reset. 5 steps under an hour. Its purpose, move you from ambiguity to clarity. A reliable structure you can lean on every weekend. Make high-level decisions in a calm state to execute under pressure. Not rigid plans. A compass and true north. 5 steps that create a powerful feedback loop. Like packing for a trip. Bring priorities. Schedule. Focus. Leave distractions. Friction. Drains. A practical process that removes guesswork and starts your week strong. First, understand your current reality. You cannot fix what you cannot see. A short, focused exercise. Find where time and energy leak away. Small, persistent drains can sink the week. Make the invisible visible. Action. Spend 15 minutes listing the top 3 energy drains. Ask, what made me tired? What did I procrastinate? Which interactions depleted me? Where was the most friction? Sit with a coffee in the quiet. Name the leaks. Awareness precedes control. Pinpoint the actual sources of drag. Externalize anxiety into a list. The fog lifts. This becomes the foundation for a better week. After the audit, the trap is trying to fix everything. Your focus is strongest when concentrated. Step 2. Choose 3 high-leverage outcomes. Decide what truly matters this week. Write simple, outcome-oriented statements. Be specific. Small enough to remember. Big enough to matter. Use the 3 as a filter. If it doesn't help a priority, decline, delegate, or defer. Example: 1. Finalize client brief by Wednesday. 2. Gym mon wed fry 6 a.m. 3. Clear desk 15 min daily. Place the list where you see it. Not a vague intention, a concrete commitment that simplifies choices. If you hit the 3, the week is a success. Let it be your compass. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Priorities remain hopes until you anchor them in time. Calendar command translates intention into action. Treat your priorities like meetings with your most important client. Schedule specific blocks. Tuesday, 9 to 11, draft proposal section 1. Be just as specific with personal goals. These are commitments, promises to your future self. Build the scaffolding of your week before life can tear it down. Confront your 168 hours, protect them. When asked if you're free, you can say, I have a commitment. Color code your wins. See where they happen. This visual commitment helps you defend your time when distractions arise. You have drawn your lines in the sand. Willpower is finite. The best don't have more discipline. They have better environments. Engineer nudges. Reduce friction. Step 4. Make one small physical change. If you need focus, clear everything. Keep only the essentials. If your phone distracts you, remove the hook. In 10 minutes, transform chaos into an invitation to focus. Good habits become easy. Temptations become inconvenient. Pack the night before. Make success automatic. Now the easiest path leads to productivity, not distraction. You have audited, prioritized, scheduled, and reset your environment. Final step, 5 minutes of silence. Read your 3, then visualize completion. See Monday's gym, Tuesday's focus, Friday's satisfaction. Say it out loud. This is my week. Your plan becomes an internal compass. Anxiety dissolves into quiet confidence. You did not hope for a good week. You designed one. The seal is set. The difference is motivation versus structure. Motivation is powerful and unreliable. Structure is an engine that runs even when you do not feel like it. The power here is simplicity and repeatability. Small wins compound into momentum and a new trajectory. Avoid overhauls. Make one small, concrete promise. Make it tiny and measurable. Run the weekend reset, even in 30 minutes, and comment your one non-negotiable. Draw your line. Take the first step from reacting to leading. Subscribe for more.